Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a holiday card at the comfort of your home for your loved ones over the holidays. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to get the card and you're going to fold it in half. Just join the two corners together and fold it in half. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your tissue, crumple it up in a little ball, unravel it, and put that aside. Next things, you're going to grab your glue stick and you're going to cover the whole front cover of your card. So make sure that you cover that in, get the glue in nice and sticky. Give your tissue paper another fold and place it down. Now what you want to do now is you want to spread out the tissue paper. And once you do that, you're going to make sure all the corners are flattened out, but you want to have that nice ripple effect, right? So let's put that down. You can let that dry. Now this next part is another layer that we're going to add to our cards. So grab your glue. This can be any type of paper. You can use just different card paper, tissue papers, anything that you feel will help bring the holiday season. Right out next, you're going to grab your decorations. This can be gems. I'm using flowers for this one because I feel I might add a nice little flowery touch to those who I might give it to. So now you're just going to work on decorating your card. Now just keep in mind that this is your final touch. You're going to add your own personal touch to it. Maybe a touch that you feel will connect well with the person who you're giving your card to. Okay, now here's a cool technique where you can learn how to put together snowflakes for that nice Christmas card. So you're just going to cut this up, fold it in half into a half semicircle, then just cut out some designs into it. And I'll show you what happens when we take it out. Perfect. So now we got our snowflakes. We're going to glue that down. All right, and the next thing we're going to do is to personalize our card. All right, so clear out our workstation. We're going to reuse this paper here. Find out the best place where you write it down. And then, write them a nice little message. This could be happy holidays, thinking of you, Merry Christmas, anything that you feel may connect. Right? Perfect. So here's our holiday card. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. And this will be our final touch. So you at home can go ahead and make your holiday cards right from the comfort of your home. Here you are.